Namaskar. I welcome you all to the digital media of Uday India and myself is Deepak Kumar Rath. Friends, in India Things, today I will speak about Kejriwal. Allegations against Kejriwal, corruption and what not in Delhi. Now before telling you about Arvind Kejriwal, I will now read a quote. I will start the quote. Prime Minister ji, if Kejriwal is corrupt, there is no more honest in this world. I want to tell you that the day you find a single corruption or single paisa against Kejriwal, hang me publicly. And this was stated by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on 5th May during the dedication of 80 Aam Aadmi clinics in Punjab. Exaggeration has a high tensile strength in politics. On 4th October, following the arrest of Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh in relation to the Delhi excise police scandal, Kejriwal swiftly reminded us that the AAP was an exceptionally honest party. और अगर हिंदी में कहे कट्टर ईमानदार. And this is the most often repeated statement of Delhi Chief Minister Mr. Honest Kejriwal and his party. His party is trying to prove itself an honest one among the corrupts. Yes, but public know, the whole nation know what is the truth. Friends, time and often we have shown you that the corrupt practices of Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal, be it about Shesh Mahal or Mohalla clinics, rant about education in Delhi, those all issues pertain to Delhi. But today we will tell you how Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab has gone beyond the Delhi government and is in fact hijacked by Delhi Chief Minister Mr. Honest Kejriwal for his own luxurious lifestyle. You know, before coming to politics, what Kejriwal was telling about honesty, dedication, and there are many things, many commitments he has done, the whole nation knows. I don't want to repeat that. I can say this much, in the whole nation and among all the politicians, if there is one politician who repeatedly tries to make himself truth, but he never say any truth. Most of their party members of Aam Aadmi Party, they are behind bars, but they are honest. Bleeding the treasury in advertisements was Aam Aadmi Party government style in Delhi, and you know this. And it has crossed into Punjab also, and that is another matter that we will explore some another day. Today I will tell you how a man who claimed himself to be Aam Aadmi has crossed all limits and spending millions for his luxuries. Friends, first he used Delhi's coffers for making his Shesh Mahal, and now is targeting Punjab's treasury for his love for luxury. Did you know that 3 days ago Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal travelled in a 400 crore luxury plane just to join a rally in Punjab? The Delhi government never paid for his jet. Who is paying for it then? Did you know he covered even 35 kilometers in a chopper, not in a car? On 17 December, there was an AAP rally near More, Punjab. So Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann left for Bhatinda Airport on Punjab government Bell chopper with code VTPSG. But he did not go to the rally point directly. The rally point was around 35 kilometers away from Bhatinda Airport. Chief Minister Bhagat Maan went to the airport because someone was waiting for him at airport. And one can guess who that may be. It is Mr. Anest Kejriwal. It was Delhi Chief Minister. And after 1 hour, both Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and Punjab Chief Minister Bhagat Maan left for the rally point near More. That was just around 35 kilometers from the airport. See the lavish life, see the honesty, and they say they always avoid to spend public money. And friends, you must know they are spending all your taxpayers' money, not from each pocket. That is all from the government treasury. And you must see how even the biggest Aam Aadmi now dislikes travelling just 35 kilometers by road. And Chief Minister Maan specifically arrived on the chopper to pick up Arvind Kejriwal. Shame on you. And after finishing the More rally, CM Maan and Kejriwal left on the same Bell chopper for Bhatinda airport that again was just 35 kilometers ahead, as mentioned earlier by me. Punjab Chief Minister went specifically to drop Arvind Kejriwal at airport. Why did Kejriwal go to the airport? Did he travel with an economy class ticket as AAP PR propagates? Because you know, he is master for public relation. He has got many PR agents and there are many agents in media also. I don't want to name them. After some time of the reaching at airport, suddenly it was observed that a super luxury plane, Dassault Falcon 2000 LX. You must have known that Falcon plane is known for luxury. We have shown many stories in Uday India about the luxurious plane of Falcon plane. And Kejriwal, Mr. Anest Kejriwal, he started flying towards Delhi. Its data signal was partially masked, but researchers and whistleblower Manik Goyal were able to see the route and plane model. They were stunned because it's unusual to see this latest and luxury plane at this small airport, which usually has 2-3 economically flights a day. Friends, our sources has revealed that it was the plane of Arvind Kejriwal who came to Bhatinda airport from Delhi on the same super luxury plane. And this plane costs around 400 crores. And aviation experts say that its per hour rent is around 10 lakh per hour. Yes, Mr. Anest Kejriwal, he can spend 10 lakh per hour. But people of Delhi, they cannot get pure drinking water. Punjab Chief Minister left for Chandigarh on the Punjab government Bell chopper and Kejriwal reached Delhi airport on his luxury plane worth around, I will repeat, that 400 crores with a rent of around 10 lakh per hour. Now the biggest question is, who is paying for such an amount for Mr. Anest Kejriwal, as Delhi government is not bearing the luxury plane expenses of Kejriwal, given his regular use of it in previous Punjab rallies and other state campaigns. Then who? It is none other than people of Punjab from the Punjab Exchequer who are paying for Kejriwal's luxury plane. When the Punjab government under Maan floated the tender for its luxury Falcon, RTI activist Manik Goyal exposed the plan on Twitter and the Punjab police tried to gag his voice by asking him to delete the tweet, as they do want to be exposed. And you will be shocked to know that the RTI revealed that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who used to travel approximately 7 times a year in public planes, has never used a normal plane after formation of the Punjab government in April 2022. Mr. Honest Kejriwal is using luxury jets funded by Punjab money for all his trips that costs Punjab around 70 lakh to 80 lakh per day. He consistently used Punjab's luxury private jet for his travels, even though they had a private jet with Punjab taxpayers' money. It results in the unnecessary presence of Punjab CM with Delhi CM on every trip. Now imagine a chief minister of Punjab being occupied just because Kejriwal always uses a jet funded by Punjab. And Punjab was already under significant debt, and Punjab government under Aam Aadmi Party has accrued fresh debt of more than 50,000 crore rupees in his short time. Imagine. And these people claim themselves to be the leader of common man. आम आदमी का नेता है ये लोग. इनको लग्जरी पता नहीं होता है. और असलियत I have shown before you. They are squandering money on these luxury jets and advertisements. And I must tell you that another recent tender for a luxury plane was floated by Punjab government in September 2023. There is no need for a Falcon luxury plane in Punjab, as Punjab already has its own chopper. This was solely hired for the purpose of Kejriwal's visits right from the beginning of the Bhagwan Mann government that formed in Punjab. When Arvind Kejriwal visited Gujarat, he unnecessarily took Bhagwant Mann on that trip, and the rent of that trip was 45 lakhs bore by the Punjab Exchequer. This is the irony of this country, that calling themselves सबसे ईमानदार हैं जी, and what they are doing is before you. It's a shame on Delhi's public who made him a political leader and now getting the dirt back. Friends, it is high time. It's high time that the people should teach him a tough lesson and send him back where he belonged at the first place, that is in jail. And you know, in public, repeatedly, you Mr. Honest Kejriwal, you yourself told, hang me if I am corrupted. Now, I will not repeat, but just to sum up, the Sheesh Mahal, his official residence, you know how many crores spent, his travel expenses, luxury planes, so on, so on, so on, so. Through the India, I must tell our esteemed viewers, they must do the reality check before voting, because इनका दिखाने का दांत और है, असली बात और है. Stay tuned with Uday India. Subscribe to Uday India. That's all for now. भारत माता की जय.